This guide will help you address lag spikes in Elden Ring to enhance your gaming experience. Follow these steps to optimize your settings and improve performance. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for Elden Ring. Verify your CPU, GPU, RAM, and storage specifications to confirm they are adequate for smooth gameplay. Step 2. Update drivers. Update your graphics card drivers to the latest version. Visit the manufacturer's website NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel to download and install the most recent drivers, which can improve performance and fix bugs. Step 3. Adjust in-game settings. Lower the in-game graphics settings. Access the graphics options in Elden Ring and reduce settings such as resolution, texture quality, and shadow quality. This can help reduce lag by easing the load on your system. Step 4. Optimize network connection. Use a wired internet connection instead of Wi-Fi for a more stable connection. If using Wi-Fi, ensure you are close to the router and minimize interference from other devices. Consider using a gaming VPN if you experience high latency. Step 5. Close background applications. Close unnecessary applications running in the background. Use the task manager to end tasks that consume significant CPU or memory resources, freeing up system resources for Elden Ring. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce lag spikes and enjoy a smoother gaming experience in Elden Ring. Happy gaming!